Madelynn, this is from Grandma. This is from Grandma Marilyn and Grandpa Paul. Look at this. It's a new puzzle. Open the cow. Is it mooing?
What does the cow say? Moo.
What about the horse? What's the horse say? Where's the horse? Where's the horse? Do you see it? Oh. That was the cat.
Yes, you think you have to take him out first, Madelynn.
Madelynn, watch. Watch the sheep. Watch. You take him out and put him back in. That was a sheep.
That's a sheep?
Yeah. Where's the dog? Where's the dog? That's a cock-a-doodle-doo? Take the horse out. Yeah, she's totally trying to press it. She doesn't understand.
She'll figure it out, though.
Oh yeah, she'll figure it out fast.
Can you put him back? Look at that. They make noises when you put him back. That was a cock-a-doodle-doo. Yeah.
What's that?
That's a horse.
That's the horse?
Yeah.
Still the horse?
Yeah.
But mostly I like to put the puzzle in the box.
Madelynn, do you like your puzzle?
That's the rooster?
Yeah. What's the cow say?
What's the possessed sheep say?
Madelynn, what's the sheep say?